Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Betron NR-200 speaker. On the front we have a picture of the speaker itself, and on the side we have some more features listed. It says that it can wirelessly stream music from Bluetooth devices and says that this has version 3.0, although on the back it states otherwise. It also has a bass port for better bass quality, a pretty big battery of 2500 mAh, a microphone built in, a range of about 10 meters, and it can connect to your phone or other devices through Bluetooth or through a 3.5mm jack. On the other side we have what is included in the box. You obviously get the speaker itself, a manual, a charging cable which is micro USB, and an aux cable. On the back we have all the specifications listed, and as I said before, it does state that this has Bluetooth version 4.2, which I am pretty sure that it has this type of version and not version 3.0. It can also take in a micro SD card, as listed here. It has a speaker diameter of 40mm, which is actually pretty big, a power output of 4.5 watts from each speaker, so that means that this has a 9 watt output, a frequency response of about 100 Hz to 18 kHz, so that is also pretty good, and the battery as listed on the side before of 2500 mAh, a music time of about 4 to 8 hours, and a charging time of about 1.5 to 2 hours. It also states the distance at which this works, and this was also listed on the side of the box. Taking out the sleeve and looking at the front of the box, you have the Betron logo, and opening it up you will find a VIP card which states their website and how to register, and on the back you also get some benefits of registering. You get the manual on the top as well. You obviously get the speaker itself inside a little plastic bag. We will take a look at that later. And you obviously get the micro USB cable and the aux cable. Looking at the aux cable, you can see that it is a standard 3.5mm jack, so it will connect to any device that you have which takes 3.5mm jacks. You also get the micro USB cable which has yellow accents, and this is also a flat type cable. Looking at the speaker itself, you have the Betron logo on the top, and obviously underneath the grill you have the two speakers. Now these, as listed on the box, are 4.5 watts each, and the design of the speaker is actually very nice. It has a low profile, as you can see. It is pretty small but does pack a punch. On the top you have touch sensitive controls with the volume buttons, the call button, the micro SD card indicator, a charging indicator and also a Bluetooth indicator, and a pause, play and skip tracks button. On the back you have the power button which is tactile, a reset button, an aux port, the micro SD card port, and obviously the micro USB charging port. On the bottom you get the model name, the speaker output, and also here you can open up this if you ever need to, but it is locked down with a screw. Okay, so turning on the speaker, you have to press the tactile button and hold it down. You will get a little chime and the Bluetooth indicator will turn on. To connect to your phone, all you need to do is go to the Bluetooth settings and find NR200. It is actually a pretty fast process since this has Bluetooth version 4.2 and does not take a long time. Once it is connected, you can obviously start playing music or other media that you want. So here is a little sound test of the speaker, and I did actually have to lower the volume a lot on the microphone since this does get very loud. And as you will hear, it does start to vibrate since this has pretty powerful bass. As you heard from the sound test, if you have good speakers, you can easily tell that this has great sound quality, and at this size it does pack a punch. It also has a very nice design with touch sensitive controls on the top, and this also does take a micro SD card, which not a lot of speakers do at this price point. So this is a must buy for most. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.